and that stem goes in forward.
Now this bottom one was a bastard. Now, it's going to be tricky. Kawasaki. No, Honda.
A Honda. Sorry, are we talking to me?
No.
So what started out as a relatively simple job of replacing a clutch cable, I opened it all up and I was quite pleased with what it was like inside. And then I showed Jason it. I said, look, that's actually really tidy. And I thought for a moment there was a little bit of grease in there, but Jason has cleverly opened it up and it's dry as a bone in there. So now we know what to do. We're going to get the grease out.
We'll get the grease out. Now, this came out. Let's just put it up here. So we're changing the clutch cable.
Yes.
Honestly,
4 screws.
4 screws here on the carpet in that order.
I think I noted, Jason, when I took them out, the left hands were long, front long,
and give it a wriggle,
and had it popped. It was lovely. But we were surprised how clean it was because we just watched someone else's cover and it was filthy as, but they did definitely pack it with grease, and that to me is dry balls, if you pardon the expression. So we've used a product in there called Bell Ray waterproof grease, and as you can see, the little cup is being fully greased by the technician here as he goes in, and we're just wondering how it all works and how it pushes actually outwards and into this stem here, and that stem goes in forward.
So basically, the 3 ball bearings, as the clutch gets pulled, you'll notice it rises up.
Yes.
Because the balls lift it. So that lifts it and forces.
If I was to be tugged like that, I think my balls would rise up too, Jason. Quite frankly. So we got the little screws in the packet from Japan.
You bought the screws for?
The screws are to put the nameplate on the tank.
Whoa.
It's going to go like that, you see. That's it. Good. Quietly put them in. Look at that. So there we have Honda on that side, and on the other side we have
Kawasaki. Honda.
A Honda. Honda. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. What are you up to today?
We're just having a sleep.
I say, what are you doing on the floor here?
Right, what we're going to do this morning is take off the kickstand, the centre stand, sorry, because it's quite warm and quite disgusting.
Is that?
And might just remove it altogether.
I'll come down this way. Oh, have a little look. Yeah.
So I'm just removing the split pin, which is now out.
Okay. Right.
Take the washer off carefully.
Yep.
Washer. Oh. Now, it's going to be tricky because you've got to pull that out.
Okay, that's the problem. I'll hold the camera and I'll grab hold of that. Ooh, jeez. Oh, I need some grease. Okay, I've got partially out. Oh,
Geez, she's a tight.
I'll just put the camera down for a tick, Jason, if you don't mind. What are you doing there, Jace?
Oh, we can't get this thing out. I've decided to try and take the exhaust out, and it's not going well. No.
No. Failed on that as well?
We've failed.
Okay.
Shit. Okay, right. Kickstand, centre stand's off, as you can see. It looks so much tidier. Right, we've got to put these little exhaust flanges in, so you've got to line up the little half moon with the thread.
I see, there's a tiny little indentation there just sitting there, isn't there?
Yeah, and you line up the bottom one.
Yep.
which is nearly there.
It's important to get your flanges in the right place, Jason, because
If you don't get the flange in the right place, you've got all sorts of troubles.
well, it'll be air leak. It'll be terrible.
I think that's it. But me being me, I'm not happy.
I'd say that's looking pretty good there, Jason.
I think that bottom one needs to come around a little bit. Yep, that's better. Should feel it go into that groove.
Is that from 84?
Yeah, by Madonna.
Madonna getting into the groove.
I think that's it.
Right, we'll grab the bolts and we'll have a little look. Nice, very good. You happy with that?
Yep. Now this bottom one was a bastard.
What's that? Okay, we've got the bottom one going in.
Yeah.
Nice. Are you for tea tonight? Are you gonna have like a pick and mix type of use your fingers at the bar sort of thing?
I think so, because it's feeling quite good.
The reason I say that is your fingers are pretty dirty at the moment.
Now the secret with doing up these flanges
Yes,
is do them
evenly.
So I'm just going to get on the floor again. I spent half my life lying on the floor.
Oh look, you know, I would just like to thank my mother for the carpet for the garage.
Oh, it's brilliant.
It's been great, isn't it?
I can't see.
No, you're doing all right. I can see perfectly from this side. Shall I put the camera down and do it for you?
That's all right. Oh, that's starting to nip up. So we'll give this top one a nip. Not too tight because we do not want to strip and break the nuts.
No.
What's so funny?
Nothing. Nothing.
Oh! I think we're ready to put some gas in it and give it a test.
Great. Well, here we are at the petrol station, and this petrol station is really good because you get this full service here. You get people actually filling your tank for you, as you can see, your reserve petrol tank.
Turn the fucking thing on.
Sorry, sorry, we're talking to me?
No,
Oh, what's happened?
you won't turn the pump on.
Is your car that bad? Does your car look that bad that they won't turn the pump on for you? So this is one of these places where you go to fill up, and are you away now?
No.
Hang up,
No, they don't.
hang up and put it back in.
Won't work.
Put it back in again. Now try it again, please. Oh, here comes the now. We've got the man at the court. Yeah, we've caused a ruckus, folks. They've run your license plate number and they found that you did a drive off about 3 years ago. Are you got it going now?
No.
Oh, sorry, no phone. Actually, on the phone, I'm actually I'm actually in the car, and I've just been told off not to use the phone. And I think if you look close on the sign here, it says here, "Do not use cell phones in forecourt." Good morning.
and good morning.
Good morning. Jason, can you explain why we're looking at this particular part of the motorbike at the moment?
Right, we've had a problem with the CB125.
Yep.
That as we're riding along and doing about 6,000 k, the bike just stops, dies.
Is that with you on it?
It's with me on it.
What about with me on it?
We won't talk about that. It didn't die for you.
But it didn't, did it?
No, it didn't.
I just want to make a statement there. Do you think it's anything to do with the rider?
In which way?
I'm a better rider than you and know how to treat a 125 better so it doesn't stall on me and die.
This is possible.
Okay. I'm surprised. I thought you'd just say no.
No, well...
Okay. Anyway.
So we first thought...
Oh, hang on a minute, sorry.
Oh,
for those who are just concerned, Ken did go for a ride yesterday with Jason on the back of the DL. That's another story. Right.
So we did think that the new gas cap, if you just pan over there...
Oh, yes, the gas cap was playing up.
That it wasn't venting enough, so it was creating a vacuum in the tank.
In the tank,
We took it for a test without the gas cap on, and it still stopped.
Right, so you sort of, with eliminated coming back to the...
Now, a lot of people have told me that the condenser here...
Right.
And or the coil can overheat after a while.
After a period of time.
Stop, fail, and then you pull over, give it a minute or so. It comes right. Start it, and...
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle.
Jill's your auntie.
That's right.
Right.
So we have a new coil. Well, that looks just spectacular, doesn't it?
That's great, isn't it? Oh, it comes complete with lead and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Which is a screw in.
Yeah.
So you actually screw the
yes.
You screw this in
the cap
of the spark plug into that.
Nice.
And I'll just grab the condenser.
Oh, this is going to be quite good. Doing both of them at the same time, Jason, I think that's a good idea. Then you can really say, hey, you've done your best you can, you know.
And a new condenser. Now, it looks it looks very simple. It's obviously 2 screws, plug some wires in, you can't go wrong.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. This is going to be tricky.